and probably work towards ensuring that we have that enabling environment to ensure that such innocent minds get to grow and realize their full potential. We also understand that as a service, we have a critical role to play in ensuring that such enabling environment obtains. And we do that by ensuring that those who are keen on infringing on the laws that touch on small children, they are hastily brought to book so that they face the full force of the law. Within Kerogoya Police Station, we have been committed to that cause, that whenever we have had such a cases touching on small kids, we have come forth pretty much very fast and ensure that such a criminals are arrested, processed, and be brought to the court. We cannot afford to have our kids face dangers from people who don't mind of the future of our kids. Personally, I find this initiative quite attractive because more often we are taken to be those who are only keen in quelling riots and probably take out violent criminals. So this is a good opportunity, maybe to portray to the public that we have the other good side of us that drives the word utumishi kwa wote pretty much at home, so that we are seen to be serving these innocent minds who are the future leaders of tomorrow. We have worked hand in hand with the ODPP, the chief magistrates, to ensure that we attain our goals. The president of the Law Society of Kenya mentioned here about the CPU, Child Protection Unit. It is a situation that we fancy as a police service and more so as Kerogoya Police Station. But as the situation obtains, funds are never there. You mentioned that. And that's the truth. But that one doesn't mean that that's a feat we cannot achieve. Sometimes back, I was the OCS, the deputy OCS in Nyahururu. We were confronted with the same problem. But through our small contributions, through the court users committee, we were able to put up such a structure. So maybe that's a challenge we need to think around, so that you are not deterred, that we can sit together, pull up our resources, however much small they are. At least we start somewhere before we call on the community, so that we can have such a structure within Kerogoya Police Station. That would be my proudest moment. I've always been confronted by this situation. A child is remanded, may be placed in custody at the station. Before it is being moved, we take them to Murang'a. Then an officer comes to you. Anakuambia afande, huyu mtoto amesemekana akaya hapo, lakini asiweke kwa seli na watu wakubwa. Then as he leaves your office, he turns back to look at you and says, umesikia hiyo? Imesema na magistrate mwenyewe. He wants to drive that point home. Then you are left scratching your head. Where do I take this kid? Unajua polisi wanasema ati akili ya sita. Sasa hii akili ya sita inafika mwisho. Hata ukiongeza ya 7 hakuna mahali itakupeleka. So I really want to impress upon the court users. Let us get together. I believe we don't have such a structure within the entire Kirinyaga County. We can be the first one to put one within Kerogoya, and it will really go a long way in serving us, especially with regard to our small children. Thank you so much.
Kuma kule kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga riu tuthie nginya kule kaunti-ini ya Embu, mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri Mary Muthoni ni atongoririe kana ni atongoretie maabitha angi a thirikari kungania maoni megie uthondeki wa budget ya mwaka wa 2024 na 2025 na riu reke tuthikiririe mamwe ma maundu maria mareyumiria hari mĩario ya kuheana maoni maya matiganite megie budget kule kaunti-ini ya Embu.
Kwa majina mimi naitwa Raymond Kenywa. Mimi ni waziri wa lands, housing, physical planning and urban development hapa Embu County. Na tumekuwa hapa na tuko hapa mpaka wakati huu kwa public participation ya budget ya 2024-25 ya national government. Tumeongea maneno ya mabarabara, tukasema wale contractors wanapewa kazi kukuwe na consultations, kwa sababu iko contractors walipewa kazi 5 years ago na mwananchi anaendelea kuumia na taxpayers money ilitumika. Kwa hivyo sisi hatutaki kuingilia procurement process, lakini tunasema kwamba wale process ikiisha tukuwe na ushirikiano, ndio sisi kama county tukuwe tunaweza kusupervise au contractors. Nimesikia Mheshimiwa Mukunji ametaja contractor moja. Mimi upande wangu naweza sema kule Karurumo tumekuwa na issue ya hao contractors wanakimbia kotini. Hiyo njia imekuwa ni shida tupu, mvua imekuja, wameingia pia huko wakalima, magari hawezi enda. So hiyo ni jambo lingine tumeongelelea. Health pia tumeongea masuala ya health, tukaongea masuala ya CHPs. Tunashukuru partnership yetu na national government ni sawa na tungetaka kuendelea hivyo, lakini tumesema hivi, in our own view tunataka pia support ya national government ku run level 5 hospitals, kwa sababu hizo level 5 hospitals wakati zilikuwa hazikuwa zikiserve county peke yake, na nyinyi mnajua hivyo, zilikuwa zina serve region. Hii kama hii hapa Embu mnajua ilikuwa inaitwa Embu Provincial General Hospital, EPGH, ilikuwa ina serve more than one county. Sasa sisi wakati tunafanya budget yetu ya county ni ndogo sana. Haswa unakuta hata governor amekuwa very keen kwa kuleta madawa. Tunahitaji madawa zaidi. Lakini ukiangalia kutoka kwa treasury, na nimefurahia Kameme yako hapa wa treasury, tumemweleza ya kwamba CFSP yetu selling ya health iko chini sana. Tunashindwa mpaka kuemploy madaktari. Lakini nimefurahia kwamba government imeleta mswada wa FIF. Na FIF itatusaidia kwamba ile pesa ambayo inaokotwa kwa hizo facilities inaweza kutumika kumanage hizo facilities. Lakini ombi letu ni kwamba tuweze kupata conditional grants ya kufanya development, na ndio pesa ile ingine mingi iende upande wa madawa. Hiyo ndio sisi tungeonelea kama county, na hiyo ndio mafikra ya governor, hiyo ndio mafikra ya cabinet ya governor, na hiyo ni mambo ambayo tumepata nafasi ya kueleza.
Na ningiuga we are very keen twitatongoria kuhakikisha Embu na constituency ino cietu cia Embu ni ciagia 100% part yacio ire ingivota gukorwo ikimatethia. Na nimbuga tukiaragiriria uguo ni renda tu consider number 1 ndeto cia urimi, nigetha tuvote gukorwo twina mai ma urimi, tukorwo twina mai ma gukorwo tukinywa, na distribution ya mai ikorwo i better gukira uria vana. Number 2 ni tu consider in a very special way mwena wigi thitima, tondu guku thini wa connectivity level ya Embu is around 40%. Koguo ningienda kuga ni tu gukwa tukivewa mbeca makiria nigetha andu wetu mavote kugia thitima. Na mwena wako wa Manyata constituency niye ni muconsider ngona in another 7 years utie gukwa kwina family gukwa ina thina wa thitima, na nivonera uga we have even put money thini wa CDF cia gwika nyamwita kwa matching fund, iria igateithagĩrĩria gũtonyia thitima kũrĩa gũtarĩ na tweka ũguo nĩ mbica tũkoragwo twĩ sawa. Number 3 of course ni issue ya kukonja growth na one of the better agendas ni ndeto cia market na tugika ndeto cia market ntura consider market iria tuvetwo ni president na iria turaona itakoiguka in future among them market teno ya Mbuvori, market ya Kangaru, market ya Carolina, market ya Kithemu nigetha tuvote gukorwa tukitethereria na tukiruta wira wetu na tukagia vandu va kwenderia indo cietu na project iria ci stalled thini wa Manyata constituency na Embu County iria cio iratethereria ukuria wa mwena uyu wetu ana cikorwo ci considered na makiria ndeto cia value addition na aggregation centers nigetha tuvote gukorwa twi sawa sawa.
Thĩinĩ wa constitution ya Kenya nĩ ikoragwa na the need ya openness, accountability na public participation. Na public participation ni kaundu kega muno tondu tugaga there is nothing for us without us. Kwoguo no nginya tuke to the people on the ground tukamoria murenda atia uboro waiganie maundu ma health, maundu ma agriculture, maundu ma infrastructure, maundu ma housing, no menye maundu mama ni maria makoretwo me in the bottom up economic transformation agenda. Kwoguo no nginya tuke tukauria andu ni barabara murenda kwamba kwa kuthondekerwo kana ni maundu ma agriculture tukuroria niguo ona in the budgetary process iria ivangagwa ni thirikari ya miaka 3 tukamenyaga ati priorities cia andu guku thi ni ndui na ino ni anchored in our constitution.
Kũu nĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Embu anyitĩte itemi matiganĩte makĩheana mawoni mao megiĩ ũhoro wĩgiĩ ũthondeki wa bajeti na maũndũ marĩa hihi magĩbatiĩ nĩ kũheo ũritũ thĩinĩ wa bajeti ĩyo ĩgĩthondekwo ĩkĩambĩrĩria kũharĩrĩrio. Ririkana rĩu mũtaratara wa kwambĩrĩria kũharĩria bajeti ya mwaka ũkĩte ĩkoragwo ĩkĩambĩrĩria mahinda-inĩ ta maya ũguo gũthiĩ ũguo nginya mweri-inĩ wa gatano kana wa gatandatũ hau ũguo rĩrĩa ĩkoragwo ĩgĩthomwo na kũneanwo kũrĩ bũrũri na koguo mahinda kwa mahinda a Kenya nĩ makũheo kanya ga kũheana mawoni mao na nĩ tũikaraga tũkiugaga nĩ wega ũgakĩheana mawoni maku rĩrĩa kanya kau kaheanwo tondũ ti wega gũgĩcoka gũgĩteta thutha-inĩ atĩ haha nĩ hangĩathire haha nĩ hangĩaikarire o rĩrĩa warĩ na kanya ga gũthiĩ kũheana mawoni no ningĩ rĩngĩ ũgĩkĩhũthĩrĩrio ũhoro ũcio na gũkĩona ta maũndũ mangĩ nĩmo makĩrĩ na bata ihinda rĩu. Reke nyambe ndigĩre hau nĩ tũrĩkeria ndeto icio rĩrĩa ũhoro wa bajeti ũrĩgĩkinyĩrĩra. Reke twambe tũikĩrie oro hanini na tũgĩcokereria tũgũkorwo tũkĩingĩra thĩinĩ wa mohoro gĩtaũ tũkorwo tũgĩthiĩ na mbere na gũkũmenyithia ũrĩa bũrũri ũhana. Ndũgathengie mũtambo.
Kameme TV, Muthegi wa Rũrĩrĩ.
The Mwalimu Plus Learning Management System, an education management tool that fits in with the country's education system and allows schools and parents to monitor students' progress effectively. From tracking and reporting to providing resources and effective learning tools, teachers and parents alike will be in the loop of each child's progress. With Mwalimu